Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I am going to show you how to split a PDF file into any number of pieces you want. For our demonstration, we'll use this PDF file. This PDF file has 34 pages as is shown here, so we'll split this PDF file into pieces. So to do that, open your favorite browser and search for small PDF. Then this the first option, click there and then go to tools and choose this split PDF. Then from this choose your PDF file. This one is available in our desktop, so we'll choose this file, then open it. Does that it will display it like this. Then you have to decide the pages you want. Click here, split after every 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages. So when we change this number, it is also display how many pages will be the final pieces. So if I increase into 6, we'll find 6 pages. If I make it 7 pages, we'll get 5 final pages. 5 pieces with 8 pages. So let us make it this one. So our final piece, a split piece of this document will have 8 pages with 5 different PDF files. Then split PDF. Then it will take some time. Then download. You see it is downloaded. Then open the folder, copy it, then let us paste it here, new folder, open the folder, paste it there, then extract it here. You see how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Each piece must have 8 pages. You see now it has 8 pages. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the final page, let us see this one. Oh, the final piece only has 2 pages. The rest of the pages will have 8 pages. So you can use this method to split your PDF file. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.